This patient came to us with grade 4 baldness. There was no hairline at the front, the top part was completely thin, and because of this, his confidence had decreased significantly. The most important step in this case was the hairline design. We planned a natural-looking hairline, keeping in mind the face shape, age, and future hair loss. Only 3,100 grafts were used for the transplant, and with the right angle, correct density, and precise technique, we provided good coverage. This is the result after 11 months. A natural-looking hairline, good density from the front, and a major change in the overall look. Due to correct planning, a skilled team, and proper follow-up, we can achieve long-lasting results. If you are also troubled by grade 4 or grade 5 baldness, then getting a transplant at the right time can yield excellent results. So visit New Roots Bangalore today.